Mae pawb yn nabod Cath fel gweithwyr ieuenctid ym Mhorth Tywyn. Mae'n gret, mae wedi gweithio trwy'r gwasanaeth i gyd. Mae nac dy Cath o datblygu perthnasau gyda pobl ifanc sy'n sefyll gyda nhw am oes.
She's like family. She's always been there. She's just really kind, really loving. She cares about everyone, no matter what.
She's fun, lovely, supportive. She changed my life for the better. Like, she was like supportive through everything I went through and stuff.
I do what I do because I enjoy working with the young people and trying to give them as many experiences as they can growing up so that they can have a fulfilled life. It's an honour to be nominated. I'm grateful to the person who's nominated me. I can't believe this has happened to me because I just do my job to the best as I can.